Don't mind me and my bro cutting up during our break. I've known Braxton since I was probably 6 years old, maybe even younger than that. Enjoy.
Start acting bougie when he better. Before you know it, better. I knew about it and I wanted to tell him I felt funny. Yeah!
What is up, y'all? It's your boy K.I.P Kustoms here. Yo, my breads are now dirty breads. Let me explain why. So I went to Houston, went to Astroworld, raged out. I was running the mosh pits. Don't you open up the window?
So if you're wondering who is that barbaric man in the inside of the mosh pit, yes, that's me. Yes, those are my Jordan 13s that are glowing at the bottom. And yeah, this is right before the beat drops to Antidote and before I rage out. Told you I wasn't playing about running that mosh pit.
And I was lit. The rest is history, and that history's in these shoes. As y'all can see, my beautiful babies, by the way, these are my favorite Air Jordan silhouettes, the 13s. Well, second favorite. The 3s are my favorite, number 1 favorite. But yeah, my babies are beat up, dirty, and broke, busted, and disgusted. So your boy is gonna, ooh, my soul defenders that are still holding on. Anyway, your boy's gonna do a quick deep clean condition. I've allowed the paint, or not paint, Jesus no. I've allowed the dirt to sit for a little bit longer than 24 just because I've been busy with life. But I'm gonna bring these joints back to life, you know? I wanna prove to y'all just how good of a deep clean I can do. So, without further ado, let's get started.
Right now what I'm doing is I'm unlacing the shoes, tearing off the last little bits of my sole defenders, and prepping the shoe for the deep clean process. What I'm going to do first with the brush is simply wet it and then loosen up any debris and dirt on the shoe first. Then I'm going to use my cleaner and lather the shoe about 2 to 3 times in one sitting, and that'll be the first round for the deep clean for the shoe. So I want to apologize in advance for having everyone wait for this Astroworld footage. I meant to edit this and put this together as soon as I got done with the trip, but I got caught up in some other things and some other footage I wanted to put out first. But hey, it's here now.
As y'all can see, I've made quite a mess. This is my girlfriend's bathroom. She's gonna kill me if I don't clean it up soon. She's at work right now. She won't know until this video drops. But as you can see, huge difference. versus this catastrophe. I'm gonna let these dry. I'm gonna let well, I gotta get the mud out the sole a little more, but I can wait. I'm gonna let them dry for a while before I determine whether or not to do another deep clean, just to really ensure that they're good. But quality speaks for itself, okay? There's that one. Sorry, the lighting is terrible. Oh, no, that just made it worse. Okay, perfect. Angles, people. There's that one. All right. And then here's one. Here's the other one. That's my sole defender, by the way. And then this is the one that's not untouched. Huge difference. Guys, y'all need to cop some sole defenders. These literally prevent the toe box in your shoes from cracking. They are very comfortable and wearable. You can walk around in them all day. To me personally, it doesn't feel like they're there, but make an investment to make your shoes last you a little bit longer. All right, y'all. Shawty about to get off work. I'll continue this video later. So it's been a little over 24 hours. I let my breads dry, at least the first ones I started on. A whole lot better, but that suede is done. So eventually I'm gonna have to re-dye that suede. My baby's been through some hell. Right now, I'm pretty much repeating the same process that you previously saw. I'm just simply taking water with my brush and loosening up all the debris and dirt so that when I add my cleaning detergent, it's just gonna come off like butter. Like, no effort is gonna be needed at all. The dirt just falls completely off. So everything you've watched up until this point in the video was from 2018. So I really dropped the ball on recording this video and editing it, then uploading it to YouTube. But hey, better late than never, right? So yeah, that just happened. Spilled so much cleaning solution that I just had to rage out real quick. But it's all good. It's all good. I just channeled all that energy and frustration and put it into the deep clean. Put a little more elbow grease. So we all good. Lesson of the day. Recap your paints and your cleaners when you're done using them. So I just got done doing a deep clean on my Breds, my babies, and of course I'm gonna give myself a 10 out of 10 because I'm all about quality. You know, they're back. That second deep clean I did really did wonders. It got the little extra debris and dirt I missed the first time around. Cleaned up my sole pretty good. This is just leftover tape, grip tape from my last sole defenders that came off way before I went to Astroworld. So I'm not gonna worry about getting that off until I put some new sole defenders up there. This is the left shoe that y'all are seeing right now. Babies are back like they just dropped, looking brand new.
I do have a little bit of sole separation on my right shoe, right here by the toe box. I don't know if that's because I wear these so much and I've done other things in these shoes like work out and rage out, but just to play it safe, these are retired. I've made history in these shoes, and I'm going to hold on to these shoes as long as possible because these are the shoes, one of many pairs that came to Astroworld, Houston, Texas with me. So these are retired officially from the mosh pit in any concert involving raging because this is my favorite colorway on 13s, and I have no time trying to get a brand new pair or do a sole swap anytime soon. Like, I think these literally just dropped a year ago in the summer, I think. Yeah, like summer of 2018. So I'm gonna make these last as long as possible, and then when the time comes to replace them, whether they re-release again or I just gotta get a new pair, you know, I'm gonna do what I gotta do. Thank you all for watching. Stay tuned for the next video.